Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Zacconi riviera espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, replacing all the little side glass and the gaskets that you see right here. Pretty much all of them, giving a good clean around the machine as well, and yeah, just give it a good service. So started with one shot of espresso. We're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grains of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Okay, that should be. Unfortunately, I might have tampered the shot too hard, as that's why you see that is slowly dripping from the cup. Still, it has really good crema, but yeah, it's a very slow drip. Unfortunately, I might have tampered this a little bit too much. We'll have to do 2 pumps instead. As you can see, it did so much better. I'm gonna remove the porta filter, get a container, and then show you the water flow of the machine. As I said, I put a little too much coffee on it, and I probably tampered too hard on the machine. That's why we didn't have like the best coffee we could have gotten. But just to show you the spring, the beautiful shower head coming out of the machine. An excellent steam pressure as well. There you have it, Zacconi Riviera working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.